Struggling to manage out-of-stock products and missing sales? The back-in-stock notification module by Knowband for Prestashop is the perfect solution. It automatically notifies your customers via email as soon as the product they want is restocked. This simple yet powerful feature boosts sales, enhances customer satisfaction, and reduces missed opportunities. It's an essential tool for increasing conversions and building a loyal customer base. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Hi guys, this is a module understanding video back-in-stock module. So we are proceeding with the same. First, we have to install the module on the store to proceed with the testing of back-in-store. So to install the module, you have to click on Upload a Module button. When you will click on it, you will be having a pop-up on the screen like this, and you will click on Select File so that you can redirect to your local to choose the file and upload the module here. While the module will get installed, it will show up a loader. When the module is completely installed, you will be having a Configure button on your store like this. When you will click on it, it will redirect you to the general setting page of the store, where modules should be in the disabled state by default. As you can see, this is a module general setting page, where you can see that the module is in default disabled state. You have to enable the module while click on it. That will click on Save. When the module is enabled, you will have a success message on the screen like this, and the module will be active on the front end. It will show only on the product page where the product stock is 0. As you can see, this is a product page where we have a message that a product available with a different option, but not in the chosen one. So you have to enter your email in this box. This is a box of a back-end stock, which shows that a module is enabled at front end. In case you want to reach, you can disable the same and enable Save the module configuration. Once it is saved, you will have a success message. On the front end, refresh the page and you will find that this box will not appear as you can see now. So you have to enable the module to work it on a front end. We have enabled the same. Now we are having the Enable Disable cron. This is a cron functionality. You have to enable it in case you are setting it to send the emails according to the cron. Cron will have the timeline when it will run, and the back-end stock module will share the emails to the customers who have subscribed the product, which has a 0 stock. So whenever the product will be again in a stock, then it will send the emails for the notification that the email is in back-end stock, and you can purchase the same. So you can enable it in case you have set up the cron. Next, you have a quantity field on the subscription box. When you will enable this field, you will have a field on a box of a front end where you can enter the amount of quantity you want to purchase like this. You can enter the 2. In case you wanted to purchase 2 product, you are required. With the 2 quantity of this module, you can subscribe. So once you will click on Notify, you will have a message that you are successfully subscribed and you will be having an email from the same. This will be the email when you will completely subscribe the product for the product not having a stock in the store. So when you will subscribe it, you will have this email which shows that the product alert added successfully. Now when this product will be back-end stock, you will have an email again. That product is in back-end stock. Next, we are having the Select hook. This is a hook functionality by default, which is predefined, given in case you want. You can add a custom hook as per the instructions given below. Next, you are having Delete customer data on the delete request in case you have GDPR module on your store. So you can enable this functionality and use the functionality along with the back-end stock. Next, we are having the privacy policy. When you will enable it, you will have a text field and the URL field on the below. So here you have to enter the text, which will show on the privacy policy pop-up, and a URL where the policies will be mentioned. This is the functionality subscription listing page. When you will enable it, you will have a subscription list. You will have all the subscriber list on this tab. Next, remove the subscription button. This button will be enabled at your email. When you will enable it, you will find the email subscription button on your email in case customer wants to get the notification again regarding that product, which is not in a stock. So in case he do not want, so he can just click on it and unsubscribe that product so that he won't get the email again. Next is subscription page. This here, you can enter the amount of the subscriber will be listing per page in case you want per page. Only 2 customer should be listed on your back end of the subscriber list. So only 2 will be listed. Next, we are having the Enable Low Stock Alert. When you will enable it, it will show you a field low stock alert quantity. So this functionality will allow you to enter the low stock quantity in case the product is having the 5 left stock on your store. So it will share the customer's email that only this for the customer who has subscribed those products will get the email that the product is in a low stock. You can immediately go and purchase the same. Also, when you are going to, you can use this functionality when the product is going to out of stock and customer wants this. So he can also subscribe and get the information for the product quantity. Next is having the enable related product on an initial email. So when you will enable this functionality, you will be having a field to enter the title of initial related product. So the initial related product title, that means the product subscriber email. That subscriber has received on the first subscription when the product was having 0 stock. So these product-related product will be shared so that he can purchase in case he wants any alternative of the same. You can add the related product according to the options given below the best sellers, the products of the same quantity, or the specific products in case you have any specific products that you want that are not newly launched on your store. So, you can enter the names of the same here. Once you will select the specific product, you will be having an email, you'll be having a field below the same, and you can choose the products from here, which will be visible as a related product on the initial shared mail. Next, you are having the enable related product on the email functionality. So when you will enable it, you will having again a field to enter the title. So once you have entered the title, you will having a functionality to choose what related products you want to display on your final email of the back in stock. Next, you are having the related product functionality on the low stock email. The low stock email is being shared and what related products you wanted to display to your customer. So you can enter the title here as well as the product that you wanted to display. You can choose next is having the UTM settings. It will enable you to enter the UTM source, UTM parameter, UTM campaigns. Next is having the heading background color. These are the UI color. You can customize your back in stock box, which is visible on your store. So we have changed some color and this change should be visible on your store. Next, we are having the background color. You can change the same. Then let's just save this functionality and check whatever the changes has been made are visible on your store. So I have to go on the front end and refresh the page to find those changes. As you can see, the color has been changed. This is the privacy policy text that we have entered. This is a URL that we have entered for the privacy URL. Here you can add your description pages where the policies will be written. You can check and uncheck this policy when you are subscribing, when the customer subscribed this product. So this should be checked. Click on Notify. You will have a message confirmation message on your screen when you will subscribe it, and you will have an email that the customer has subscribed. This is the email that you will receive when a customer subscribe a product which has 0 stock, and this is the initial related product which is visible here. This is a subscribe button in case customer wants to subscribe, unsubscribe this, and do not want to get more information regarding this out of the product on this email. Then you can click here and you will be unsubscribed when the product will be back in the stock again or in the low stock. You will not get the notification. Next, we are having the custom CSS and customer enter the CSS. They should be visible on this front end page wherever the back end stock is visible. So you have to enter the details correctly of the custom JS and custom CSS. Click on save so that the configuration will be saved completely. And on the front end, you have to refresh the page to find those changes on your store. As you can see, the custom CSS is working. And when you will refresh the page, you will have a success message of the subscribe product again. Now, if the product will be back in the stock, as you can see on the screen, as soon as the product will be back in the stock again, you will have the email like this on your screen, when like a title of a good news product is back in the stock again, and you will be having a content that here we are, getting in touch again, since there is a good news for you. The product that you have shown interest is now available. You can see that there is a related product also visible on your screen, which has the final rated product that we have added. These are from the same category, so you can purchase a product. When you will click on it, you will redirect to the same product page, and you can complete your purchase from here. As you can see on the screen now, when the product is in low in stock, the amount you have entered low in stock email on the screen here, you have added the 5. So when the quantity of the product that you have subscribed is less than 5, you will be having an email like this on your screen. Hurry up, subscribe. Product is in low in stock, and you can see the product details will be listed here. when you will click on the product image, you will be redirected to the product page where the message is mentioned. That last item is in stock, so you can complete the product purchase from here as well. Next, we are having the initial email setting that we have received once for subscribing our product here. You can select the language, and you can make the changes in your email content, and save the content will be get saved, and you will be having the modified email content on your screen. The same with the email functionality final email setting. You can choose the language, you can make the changes in the email content, and you can click on save. Next, you are having the low stock email setting. You can choose a language same and make the changes in your email content in case you want. You will click on it. The changes will be saved and you will find those changes on your received email. Next, we are having the email marketing setting here. We have given the 3 options to capture the email customer's email that you will use for further marketing, for further launching any new products on your store. So you can use that emails to have the notification to them. So you have to enable this toggle and configure these platforms on their respective site to have the required details of API key of all. Once you will have the API key and you will click on the MailChimp, you will be having a loader which will load the email. The correct email will only list your respective platform list as you can see on the screen. As soon as you will enter the API, you will be having the list name in case you have entered the wrong, so it will show that no list exists for this API. So, when you will enter the correct API, you will have your listing name in the below field and you will click on it. The configuration will be saved and you will be having the list name. Next, we are having the analysis tab here given. This is the analysis tab where all the analysis will be given of the product that the customer has been subscribed for like 3 times. We have subscribed for the 1 product. So it is being mentioned here with the SKU, with the current price, with the number of customer who have subscribed. Next, we are having the V3 recapture setting here. You can, in case you want to have a verification for that product customizer box, so you can have this V3 keys and V3 secret key by configuring it on the respective page. Then recapture will be visible on subscribing the product page. You have to enter the correct key and save those key on the page. When you will save the same, you will have these recapture on your screen. So it will be appearing for the not in stock product as you can see the recapture on your screen. So when you will have the correct email and the details are correct, and it will allow you to complete the subscription as it will show you the validation, like it's show the message like this. Next, we are having the availability setting where you have a toggle to enable it next. We are having the category allowed. You can select the category, particular category. You will click on the expand all button. You will be having all the categories of your store here, and you can select the category on which especially you wanted to enable the back in stock. The category you will select only there. You will find the back in stock will be working else. It will not work on any others category. Next, you are having the choose product field, where you can select the product, especially where you want to exclude from the back in stock. You will enter the product in case this product do not have the quantity on your store. Then on this product, customer will not find back in stock subscription box. In case you want, you can check by saving the configuration. The product that we have marked or exclude product is at your screen, and you can see there is a message that it is out of stock, but it do not have the subscription boxes. We have made it exclude from this module. This is a product that we have checked here, and it do not shows here when you will remove this product from the exclude from currently click on save and now refresh that product page. You will find the subscription box there. You can see next, we are having the product custom field. This is the custom field of page where you can create some custom fields, which you want to display on the subscription box. There are the 4 types of fields, select text, radio, and text area, so you can select the respective one, and you will having the form below. You have to complete the details and click on save, so that the field will be created and it will be visible on your screen like this. Here you have a button to edit the same. You can edit, make the changes, click on. Save the changes should be saved and it will be listed on your screen as you can see. Here is a button to delete the field, which you want to. You can delete the field in case you want. You can enable and disable the field by clicking on the status. Once you will disable, it will not be visible on your subscription box. You can check on your front screen here. You are having the select and the radio button since we have disabled the text field, so it will not visible on your subscription box. Next, we have the subscriber list here. You will have this user's email who have subscribed your product which were not in stock, and you will be having a status of which email has been sent to them, and in case if they have placed the order or not. So email of the back in stock has been sent to all these 3 users, but they haven't placed the order from the same. You will be having the status of the low stock and back in stock email when they were added in the list. You will be having the date and time you can delete this customer in case you want from the listing, and also you can view the view details. You will be having no additional details has been filled here. You will be having the custom fields data. You can search the product customer by entering their email in the search field, and you will click on the search. You will have the search data on your screen. As you can see you can search by the product name, the quantity the email has been sent or pending. Also, there is a functionality to export the subscribers. You can export them in the Excel at your locals. You can manually stop the trigger. You can share the email for the product who do not have a stock. So this is how the module functionality works of back in stock on your front end of the store. Thank you so much.